In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the BRD wallet. The BRD or BRD app is a secure and simple way to store your crypto, making it ideal for beginners to send and receive assets anytime, anywhere with complete financial privacy. With BRD, not only can you store your Bitcoin, but you can also purchase it using a variety of different ways, depending on your location, including credit card, in-person purchases at Bitcoin ATMs, or via bank transfer. Plus, they even support converting your Bitcoin into Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and a large number of ERC20 tokens. There's no sign-ups, logins, or personal information required to store your crypto. Just simply download the app, write down a short recovery phrase to store safely offline, and BRD's hardware encryption ensures that your funds are safe even if you lose your phone. So let's take a look at the app now. And you can either get started from here or restore an existing wallet if you're on a new phone. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. And then you can tap onto Next twice. If you'd like to get started by making a purchase, you can select Buy Some Coin. However, I'm just going to browse first. And you'll then be prompted to create a 6-digit PIN number and confirm this on the next page. And you can then click on to continue for the next 3 pages, but just make sure that you read the important information on each page about your private recovery key. So you want to make sure that you write it down, keep it secure, and relax buy and trade. And then you can tap onto Generate Recovery Key. And the app will then show you 12 different words in separate pages, and this is your recovery key. And you'll need to swipe left after writing down each word, which you'll need to do in the correct order. And once you're done, you can then tap onto Done. And it's important that you keep this offline and secure, and this is the only way to restore your BRD wallet. You'll then need to confirm randomly numbered words from your recovery key, and then you can tap on to confirm after you've entered them. And then you'll reach your home screen, where you can view the balances that you have, and you'll also see a total in the top right-hand corner. And pre-populated, you have your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BRD token wallet, which is their own token. So the BRD token, or BRD, basically provides discounts and additional services based on a rewards tier, where you hold them in your wallet and use their app. And if we just take a look under the menu in the bottom right-hand side of our screen, and go to Rewards, you'll see in here that you can get money off in-app trading fees and things like telephone support too. But just heading back. Now you can also add or remove assets from this screen as well by clicking onto Manage Wallets and then clicking onto the plus icon in the top right-hand side of your screen. And you can search for a certain cryptocurrency, and as you can see, there's a whole host of these too. I'm just going to add XRP and go back. And as you can see, that's now showing up on that main screen. And you'll need to add these if you want to receive that specific cryptocurrency, or if you've not already got it and you're exchanging into that cryptocurrency. And then if you click onto one of these specific assets, so I'm going to press onto Bitcoin. In here, you'll see the current price, the change, and then some charting as well that you can track over specific periods of time. So you can look at a day, a month, a year, etc. Then in here you can view your balance, you'll see any activity in terms of any transactions that you may have. And then you have Send in the bottom left-hand side of your screen. So with your Send, you can either paste or you can scan in using a QR code the destination address into this section. You'll then type in the amount of Bitcoin that you'd like to send, and you'll have a choice of different types of processing speeds. So these will be between economy, regular, and priority, and it's up to you which one of these you choose, and it'll all depend on how quickly you want your transaction to go through or how much you actually want to spend on this. You can also put a memo in here so that you can track your spending. So if this is going over to exchange, you might want to put that into your memo. But we'll just come out of here. And if we tap onto Receive, so say for example you've got some funds across on an exchange and you want to send this across to this wallet. Here is your receiving address. So you can either use the QR code from here, or you can share your address, and then you can simply copy it from here. Now, one thing to mention is that this address is specific to my Bitcoin wallet. However, other cryptocurrencies will have their own addresses too. Now, if we just head back, and if we press onto Ethereum, you'll have exactly the same options repeated for all of your assets. However, as I said, your receive address will be different for other types of cryptocurrencies. Now, taking a look at the options in the bottom of the screen, if we press on to buy, so from the app you can buy cryptocurrencies, such as the likes of Bitcoin or Ethereum, depending on your location. So I'm from the UK, and therefore GBP is automatically pre-filled for me. But if I click onto the drop down here, you'll see there's a whole host of other currencies, fiat currencies, that you can select. And your payment methods will depend on the fiat currency that you select. For example, when I select GBP, you'll see here that I have Coinify option, and I can either make a bank transfer or credit card payment with Coinify. However, if I select USD and click onto bank transfer, you'll see that I have the option of bank transfer, Apple Pay or debit card, and credit card too. Plus, it'll also show you local ATM machines where you can purchase. Now, when you're buying or selling Bitcoin through the BRD app, there will be different fees depending on the payment method that you choose. Now, if I just head back and select GBP for now, and type in my amount, you'll see here that I'll then see the amount that I'll receive in my chosen cryptocurrency. And I've got Bitcoin selected. However, if I click onto the drop down, you'll see that I've got Bitcoin or Ethereum available. However, users from different regions may have the ability to purchase more coins, such as XRP. And if I press onto Next, now you may be prompted to enter an email address and they'll send you across a confirmation code. And you can then go ahead and proceed with the payment method that you've chosen, and in my example, that's Coinify. And they'll need a one-time identity verification to be compliant with anti-money laundering regulation. And they'll ask you 2 quick questions, and you'll need to have your photo ID ready and be prepared to take a selfie. This process then takes a couple of minutes, and once it's all complete, it will then show an active balance in your wallet. Now we're back at the main screen. What we're going to just do is go back to buy again. You'll see that you also have an option to sell at the top. Now this isn't available for those in the UK and selling with GBP, as you can see from here, as selling Bitcoin is only available in the US market at the moment. So for those in the US, you'll see that you have some options here. And that's via bank transfer. Now this isn't the way that I would personally buy or sell my crypto, as it won't be the cheapest method. I'd personally use a larger exchange, but this way is really simple and convenient for beginners, and it's a great way that you can purchase with the likes of a credit or debit card too. So you would type in the amount that you'd like to exchange to, and it will give you the conversion in your chosen currency. And again, you won't get the best prices for trading or exchanging in this way compared to an exchange platform. But it's a great place for newbies looking to diversify their portfolio. And then finally, let's take a look under the menu icon in the bottom right-hand corner. And in here you can scan QR codes, you can again manage your wallet and add additional assets. But I'm going to click onto Preferences. And then from here you can change your display currency if you wish, but let's take a look at Bitcoin settings. And under Redeem Private Key, in here you can import a paper wallet or a private key using a QR code, which is really handy so that you can manage all your Bitcoin in one place. Just be careful not to expose these to anyone else, as someone with access to your private keys will then have full control over your assets. So as it states here, importing a wallet transfers all the money from your other wallet into the BRD wallet using a single transaction. However, importing a wallet does not include transaction history or other details. So if you wanted to import the likes of a paper wallet, you can scan your private key, and then you would scan the QR code that's on your paper wallet. And any funds stored on that paper wallet or private key will be sent into your BRD app's Bitcoin wallet, and they will not remain on the paper wallet or private key. Then just under the About section, in here's where they have some official links to their blog, Twitter and Reddit too. So that was my run through of the BRD wallet, which is a great place for newbies getting started with Bitcoin. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.